Air pollution consists of chemicals or particles in the air that can harm the health of humans, animals, and plants. It also damages buildings. Pollutants in the air take many forms. They can be gases, solid particles, or liquid droplets. What are the main sources of air pollution? Some air pollution comes from natural sources, like volcanoes eruption and wildfires. But most air pollution results from human activities, such as energy use and agriculture. There are different types of human-made air pollution.
Car air pollution, city road smog, factory smoke, and industrial carbon dioxide clouds. Vehicle toxic pollution, polluted air or environment, car waste hazard, cartoon vector illustration. Burning prohibited materials such as garbage, plastic, and painted or treated wood is harmful to the environment because these materials release toxic chemicals that pollute our air. Polluted air can be inhaled by humans and animals. They deposit in the soil and surface water and on the plants. Noise pollution, traffic noise, industrial machinery noise. Gasoline is a toxic and highly flammable liquid. The vapors given off when gasoline evaporates and the substances produced when gasoline is burned, carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxides, particulate matter, and unburned hydrocarbons, contribute to air pollution. Burning gasoline also produces carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas. Smoke from a burning cigarette is a concentrated aerosol of liquid particles suspended in an atmosphere consisting mainly of nitrogen, oxygen, carbon monoxide, and carbon dioxide. Transportation-related air pollutants are one of the largest contributors to unhealthy air quality. Exposure to traffic emissions has been linked to many adverse health effects, including premature deaths, cardiac symptoms, exacerbation of asthma symptoms, diminished lung function, and increased hospitalization. How do industrial activities contribute to air pollution? Industrial processes and activities generate emissions of pollutants such as nitrogen oxide, ammonia, mercury, and carbon dioxide, which pollute water, air, and land and damage human health, the environment, and nature. Identify the risks associated with air pollution. Premature death, asthma attacks, cardiovascular disease, and lung cancer. How does air pollution contribute to the global environmental crisis? What measure can be taken to prevent air pollution? Use energy efficiency. Planting trees. Recycling. Avoiding burning trash or leaves. Riding a bike can help prevent air pollution. Quit smoking. Avoid plastic bags. Cleaning backyards. And alternative energy. What role do governments play in regulating air pollution? Governments play a crucial role in regulating air pollution through various mechanisms and partnerships as mandated by laws such as the Clean Air Act. Can you provide examples of successful initiatives to reduce air pollution? Managing air quality, effective strategies for reducing air pollution. How can individuals contribute to the prevention of air pollution? Reduce vehicle use and improve driving habits.